Okay. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about the Bitcoin halving. We're going to be talking about my dog wanting to get under my desk. We're going to be talking about altcoins, potential alt seasons, and I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't know if you remember this, but 3 months back, I actually made a commitment. I said that I challenged a crypto advisor to give me a portfolio, and I would beat his portfolio, and not only that, I would share profits from the winning portfolio with you. So let's see how that went. We're going to be doing that later on in the video. We're going to be talking about another giveaway. We're going to be doing so many things. But welcome to the Crypto Factor. My name is Paul. As I said already, my dog kind of threw me off there. Drinking soda today, just plain old soda water, just H2O with bubbles. Tell me what you're drinking. Tell me where you're tuning in from. And let's get started. And I am going to be talking about XRP as well, because it's funny. Because one of the advisor I challenged actually picked XRP, one of the coins he picked. So we'll talk about that later. We're going to see some shirt giving in real time. So let's look at the Bitcoin price right now. And as expected, the Bitcoin price is sitting at around $65,000. Now, if you remember months ago, I said two things to you. Two things I made very clear. Number one, there will be a sell the news event of 20 to 40% around the NVIDIA event. I said that, it happened. Sure, we didn't quite get to 20%. We got to 18 point something percent drop, but it was there. If you were taking profits in Bitcoin, you could have bought altcoins with Bitcoin on the drop like we said. Then I said that around the halving event, we're going to have another drop. And we did. We did have a drop around the halving event. I'm not going to do the math right now, but it was around that range. So we had the two drops around the halving and around the NVIDIA event. And now, and I actually said that more than likely the actual day of the halving will be a non-event. And so far it's a non-event. Why is it a non-event? Very simple. Because the Bitcoin halving, and I said this multiple times, and everybody, like, you don't want to listen. Just you got to start listening. Multiple times I told you that the Bitcoin halving, usually Bitcoin price goes up after the Bitcoin event, couple of weeks to a couple of months after. That's when we see the actual rise. We also get a dump in between that. Usually we'll be talking about that, and we do see altcoins gain momentum and sometimes rally. We also talked about that. Now, can we still get a dump in Bitcoin? Yes, we can. I said there's going to be a dump around the halving. Maybe that was it. We witnessed it already. Maybe we go lower. I don't know. Maybe we start going higher than here. I don't know. I can't know everything. I mean, I made some perfect predictions for you guys. If you didn't take profits, if you didn't buy the dips, not my fault. Should have listened. Subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. So let's have a look again at Bitcoin, what it's doing right now. 64,900 right now, still in the range, still bullish. Listen, before people panic, even if we break this level of about 60K here, this range of 59,172, 686 or so, that little range over there. Even if we break this to the downside, which I don't believe, if we can close above it, we do have support around the 53,000 area, and of course 50,000 psychological. And listen, we can go all the way down to 50,000 psychological and still be bullish, still in a bullish trend. The only way I would actually panic is if we broke below 50K and then came up, made this resistance, in other words, rejected and went down. That would be a sign of a top in the market. I am not saying that's going to be the case. I don't believe we're even going to do that. I'm not saying that's even in my agenda. I'm just saying I would stay bullish until that happened, then I would reevaluate, as that could be a top formation or a change in the market structure. It's a whole different thing. Okay, so stop panicking. I'm not saying we're going to do that. More than likely 60K will hold, and it doesn't even mean we're going to go drop down from here. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at here. To be safe, we need to go above 65K, 66K, to be honest with you. We have to break this. We might actually go up all the way to around 66, 67K, then come back down, form a nice cup and handle over here, then move to the upside, and then the break of 70K psychological, should be very bullish. Let's see how this plays out. On the other hand, we're seeing altcoins rally here. Or actually rally. We're seeing altcoins bounce and doing quite well. And if you're in my group, if you're in my private group, which if you're not, I don't know what you're doing, why you're not in there. You would have made so much money with so much, I don't know, just check the link down below. But if you're in my group, you would already took profits, already bought back CGBT, Render, GFL, AOS, SIDOS, all these coins, Ajax, Fetch. I mean, all these coins, DIM here. We talk about AGI. So you would already have made back a lot, Solana, and so on. This is our main portfolio on Crypto Bubbles. We do have more coins, obviously. If you look at the top 100, you can actually see that in most part, we've outperformed most of the markets here. But we are seeing a lot of rise in altcoins. We are seeing quite a few, actually. Anyway, our main portfolio is this, and of course, we are in some base tokens as well. We have some small positions, but I don't want to be talking about that right now. What I do want to be talking about is the potential of an alt season. Are we going to keep on seeing mini alt seasons, which we called on this channel, the only channel that said that we're going to have mini alt seasons instead of alt seasons before the halving? This was the channel, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button. Are we going to have more mini altcoin seasons, or are we going to have an actual alt season? I'm telling you right now, the potential for an alt season is there. We just need retail to come in. Most retail hasn't come in yet. It really hasn't. It's mostly institutions buying Bitcoin and Bitcoins, and then we are seeing the crypto people, the people already in crypto, put some new money in and shuffle money around. That's why you see different narratives go up and down. And when you see meme coins pump, that's the whales manipulating people in crypto, because basically they know it's the people, they know that it's the crypto degens in crypto, and that's why they're pumping meme coins, and that's why they're taking money and taking your money that way, because they know retail hasn't really entered. They have started to, but they haven't really entered yet. So yeah, we are seeing some good moves in altcoins. We are seeing some nice profits already. Let's see how this all plays out. Now, I'm going to be answering your questions in the live stream as well. I'm already seeing a lot. Thank you for the super chat, Cubic. I'll put you in priority for your question as well. Give me a second. I just want to conclude what I'm talking about. I did say a few months ago, 3 months ago, I'll be doing a giveaway. Let me drink some soda. And let me do this giveaway so I can get it out the way. See if you won. And then we can continue with the video. Let me just drink this and talk about the next giveaway as well. So give me 1 second. I'm so thirsty. Okay. Nice. Good. So, let's talk about the giveaway. A few months ago, I made a video right here. You can see it right here. Oh, wait a second. That's not the video. This is the video. It's called, I challenged 3 crypto advisors and sharing $10,000 with you. What I said in the video is that I'll make 2 portfolios. In the winning portfolio, I'll give it to somebody in the comments. I'll share $10,000 with you, or it's, up to $10,000 with you. That's what I said in the video, and basically I would share half the profits with you, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, how the context went was, I challenged a couple of crypto advisors. We took one challenge, right, the only one that came through. We paid for the service, by the way, and he made some picks and put $500 in those picks. I put $500 in my picks. Let's see who won, and then I'll share the profits with you guys, okay? So essentially, what happened was, my portfolio is B, his portfolio is A. He put $100 in NEO, $50 in DOT, $100 in ADA, $100 in Litecoin, $50 in XRP, God knows why, and $100 in Link. I myself put $100 in Render, $100 in Bitcoin, $100 in TET, $100 in GFL, $100 in Say, and pretty much said that Render and Bitcoin should cover profits if everything else doesn't do as well. You can actually do that. Watch that video. I went on some coins that I was sure would make some good profits, and then I did some risk coins so that my portfolio will overall win, even if some of these picks goes wrong. These are their picks. Let's see which ones did better. Now, in order to do this effectively and do it in the most easy way, I actually kept the coins on MEXC. Don't have a lot of my coins on there, by the way, in case you're wondering. There are some dust left over. You'll see it in a second. We'll do this live. And what I'm going to do is I actually put the amounts 3 months ago in those coins, right? In his coins and my coins. My coins were different than his coins, so it doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert his coins into USDT, my coins into USDC, and then whoever has more money won the bet. And then from whoever has more money, over $500, whatever profit that is, I'll share it with you 50-50 and pick somebody from the comments. And if I'm feeling nice, I might even pick out 2 people. I might even share more. So let's see how that goes. Let me see the chat, what the chat is doing right now. I see a lot of people in the chat. I could save this for later on in the video so that we can, so I can gain watch time, but I would just want to get this out the way so whoever's not interested in the rest of the video can leave after this, after the giveaway, and then I can answer your questions and so on. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let's go into MEXC. And here is MEXC. Ignore this orange here and Ethereum. That's just dust left over from profit taking. So let's do his portfolio first, okay? So his portfolio, where was it? Here you go. He chose NEO. This is the fastest way. Now, the prices actually went down since the Bitcoin halving. They actually went down a little bit. No, sorry, they actually went up. So right now I'm cheating myself because the price actually went up today and yesterday. So actually I'm supposed to share less money, but it doesn't matter. You know, what's a few dollars? Let's just do it and just share more money. It's fine. Okay? By the way, like this video for support. This is all in my own pocket. Obviously, it's not sponsored. And while this might not be a massive amount of money, it could have been depending on how the market ran. I mean, this could have been a lot more. So understand the concept here, not just the amount. So one of his picks was NEO. That actually went up $68. So from $100, NEO went to $168. So let's trade this real quick. Let's do USDT. By the way, I just noticed that you can't do it straight to USDC on MEXC. So this might not work. So what we'll do is we'll do it to USDT, convert it into something else, and then do mine into USDT and see which one is more. If you're confused and if you're lost, don't worry. This will all make sense to you as I'm doing it, okay? By the way, if you want a MEXC code, just go to cryptofactor.net/resources or to the resources tab and you'll see a link there, an affiliate link if you want to support me, even though it's only for trading, not for buying, so it doesn't really make much. All right, so let's go. So NEO is one of his tokens, so let's trade that into USDT. The easiest way to do this is what? Just market sell the whole amount. Boom, right? Sell NEO. There goes NEO. Let's go back to wallets. His second pick was Litecoin, $127 from $100. So let's trade that. This one does have USDC, but let's just do USDT as we said, because some don't. Let's do market sell. Let's do the full amount, sell Litecoin. Now remember, $500 was the investment, right? What's the other one he chose? He chose ADA, Cardano, $100. That actually went down $3. Let's get rid of that in USDT as well. Let's market sell this. Go back down to spot. So far, so good. Not doing bad. 391, almost broke even so far. What's the other one? Was it Link? Let's have a look here. NEO, DOT, ADA, Litecoin, XRP, and Link. Okay, so let's go back and let's sell Link. That's also his. So Link, USDT. Even though we hold Link, I didn't use it for this bet because I felt that it wouldn't do much in this timeline yet. And I'm holding Link long term. So there you go, Link, sell that much, market sell. What's next? Spot. What else did he use? Dot. Was it Dot? Let me just check and verify here. Yeah, $50 of Dot, which is now $49 of Dot. Also a good coin, but not for right now, by the way. I'm making a video about this soon. Let's also sell this. So more than $500, so his portfolio actually went up quite $49 so far. Let's see what else he has here. XRP. $50 became $46. The worst performing cryptocurrency, obviously. I told you that's going to happen. USDT. So you actually lost money on XRP and was the worst, at least for this bet so far. I think maybe it went a little bit, maybe because it's a stable coin, it did better for something else that I chose. So let me not say too many things. So his portfolio, $595. Okay, is there anything else here that's his? No. So $595. So if he wins, the profit is $100 roughly. It's 95 divided by 2, which means I'm going to give away $50 if I did it with his portfolio. Okay, so 595. Let me just write this down. Let me just 595. I'm going to do it as a cool 600 if it wins. All right, versus my portfolio. And what we're going to do, just to make this a lot easier, let me just buy something real quick, just to get this USDT out the way, so I could do the same with the other portfolio, okay? So let's just put it all in orange token right here real quick. Or even better, let's do it. Orange wasn't that bad. Let's see what AGI is doing real quick, just out of curiosity here. AGI, Delicium, trade. Not that it matters, I just want to get something out the way so it's easier. Here, let's do it with AGI. It had a nice little drop here. Let's just buy up, market by AGI for now, and we'll see what we'll do with it later on. So buy AGI, boom. So $0. Let's go back to spot, and now let's do mine, okay? Remember, that was $595. Let's see what would have happened if you followed my portfolio. So one token is render here. Let's trade that into USDT. You follow what I'm doing right now. I'm going to see which portfolio won and then share the profits with the portfolio that won with you, okay? So let's do that. All right, so USDT, let's market sell render. And then Bitcoin was the next one that I did. So let's just go to Bitcoin, $138. So this one up $38 only. But that was my protection. That was why I was doing it. So let's sell Bitcoin. What was the other one? TET, $100 in TET did not do well, by the way. Unless I put 50. There was a confusion while I was making the portfolio. I can't remember what it was, and I changed it. Where was I? Right here. But regardless, let's just do it as it is right now. So TET is $59, actually lost money, $40. So that was actually worse than XRP, because XRP was such an effective stable coin. TET actually went worse. And I did tell you I got out of TET. I took it out of my portfolio. I sold TET. I did tell you that in a live stream. So if you're following my channel, you're not in TET anyway. Let's see. Say token actually went down $20 as well, so that didn't do that well. Let's get rid of Say token. Say the magic word. Sell Say. And the other one that went down was actually GFAL, okay? Now GFAL actually went down a little bit. That was, I can't really do the math. If we go over here, this is GFAL. If we go to the 10th of January, when I made this bet, it was at 0.04. Now it's at 0.028. Okay? So it actually went down. What is that? That's quite a bit. So I actually sold by accident. I actually moved my GFAL into and out of MEXC, and I accidentally picked all of it. So let's just put $100. But pretty much these two portfolios, okay, minus $509, even if GFAL went to $80, maybe their portfolio actually won my portfolio, as a matter of fact, which is interesting. I did make a mistake. If you want to watch this video and check out exactly what I did wrong, by the way, it's called I Challenged 3 Crypto Advisors and Sharing 10,000. You can actually look through, because I made a mistake. Wait, it's here. Is that it? Yeah. Buy price. Shit, so I did it like this. So, I'll be very honest, I've confused the fuck out of you and myself as well right here. So I'm not sure who won. GFAL's not in here, but I do see this is his portfolio. So did I put my portfolio as well? Yeah, I put 150 in Bitcoin, 50 in GFAL. See, there you go. This is the actual portfolio here. So I made a mistake. I remember making this mistake. Look, I don't know what happened at this point. If anybody wants to do the math, they can do the math. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sell here. I'll pretend that my Ethereum is my GFAL, and I'll trade that into USDT, which actually went up, so it's actually a better bet for you guys. So let's do that. If you want to say I won, that's fine. If not, not. But here's the deal right now. Both wallets, I put in $1,000 together, and we only made like $150. No? 150 plus 100, kind of. $250. So if I was to share my portfolio is $150 divided by 2, that's like $150 is nothing. $75 is nothing. If I did his, is $50 is nothing. Let's do this. Let me just share $250 with you guys. Like, I'll break even and I'll share all profits with you guys, not 50%, because neither portfolio did that well, to be honest with you. Plus, I confused everything. I'll just share $250 with you guys. Let's do that. Okay, happy? So that's me breaking even, and that's any profits I made going to you. So let's go do that. By the way, in the chat, let's see what's going on with the chat. You are so confused. Yeah, fuck, I fucked up everything up. I fucked everything up, man. Let me just share $250 with... Shall I share it with 2 people in the comments, or shall I share it with 1 person in the comments? Put 2 or 1 in the chat. Should I share it with 1 person, or should I share it with 2 people? Put in the chat how much 2 people says Shah, 2 people says 2 people, that's 2. 2 or 1, 2. Okay, most people are saying 2. 1 person is saying 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Obviously, more people are saying 2 people. So let's share it with 2 people. Let's do that. And let's make it fair. So let's go to here. Let's go to this. This is the video. Which AI coin? So let me show you how I'm gonna do. Oh, I thought I was sharing my screen, by the way. Let me just go to the video. Sorry about that. Give me a second here. Let's go to the video and pick 2 comments and just share that. Bear with me, all right? I've never done this before. All right, wait. This is not it. This is it. Let's details, comments. Is this how you do it? No, you have to go. Give me a second. All right, let's find the video and use an auto commenter picker, whatever. They're wrong. So 2 people that picked, we'll do 1 of each portfolio since I'm not sure which one's which. Let's pick 1 that picked portfolio A, even if they lost, and let's pick 1 from portfolio B. So whether you picked A or B, you have a chance to win. I just want to do this, give the money, get it out the way, because I didn't organize this properly, and I just want to get out the way so people say, oh, you didn't share, you didn't see what I did. No, I'm sharing more than I said I would. And just because I'm an idiot and confused everything doesn't mean everybody has to pay for it. Like, not get their I'm trying to find the video. Sorry, give me a second. Challenge. There it is. So let me show you what I'm doing here. It should be at pick a winner. All right, let me show you what I'm doing. So this is the video right here, challenge accepted. All right, it didn't even get a lot of views, so actually this video did not do well for me. Let's go here, TubeBuddy, and right down here, pick a winner. Okay, I'm gonna choose. Okay, must contain words. Well, let's just do search and see, and if they pick one from A, one portfolio, one guy that picked A, and one guy that picked B. Okay, we'll do that. So let's do that right here, live. Pick a winner. Boom. Picking a winner. The winner is definitely going with portfolio B, considering Bitcoin is in it. So Bailey Miller, you actually won half of $250. Let me just write this down. At Bailey Miller 546. I'll get in touch with you with a comment. But yeah, you won half of 200 and how much is half of 250? $125. And let's see if pick another winner. Let's see, we want somebody with A right now. So now we want somebody with portfolio A to win another $125, right? So let's do that. So pick another winner. Let's hope it's an A. B, sorry, Warren. Pick another winner. Spam. He just pushed different. Pick another winner. B, come on, we need an A. I picked portfolio A at Ugo. Sorry, I have to write this guy down. Emmanuel 9156. Congratulations to both of you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to comment under this. You can all verify this if you go to the comment section after the video and see, oh my God, did you? You can write down your address and I will send you the money in USDT on Binance chain or something. So congratulations. That's out of the way. Whew, that was hard. Unorganized. I didn't really organize this. First time I did this, or at least first time I did it this way. So yeah, hope you guys are happy. If you want to, and if anybody wants to go watch that video and say, Paul, you didn't say this, you didn't say that, that's wrong, go ahead. Meanwhile, we have 650 USDT. Let's not leave it in USDT, shall we? Let's put it in something like, I don't know, what do we put it in? Let's put it in orange here. Let's trade orange. Just to leave it on until I decide what I'm going to do. Let's just mark it by this. Boom. Done. Okay. Okay. And that is it. So, let's go back and answer your questions. How many people left? Those of you that haven't left, go ahead and click the like button. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying. I'm new at this. All right. Josh Samuel says, cubic analysis, two biggest bags, Pepe and cubic. I don't do analysis, especially not for $2. I'll do an overview for you, a quick overview. I'll tell you this. Pepe is a good meme coin to hold in case of a meme coin narrative, so there's no need to do technical analysis on it. As for cubic coin, let's just do a quick overview here. I just want to see what it's doing. Go to all. Looks like it's found support or finding support. If it holds this level, breaks the 57 right here, then breaks 65, it can potentially do well. It is a low cap. Yeah, okay. I wouldn't be against it. Is this a new coin? This is a new coin though. No such thing as technical analysis on new coins. There's no price history. This looks like it's finding support in the sense that people have sold and took profits and dumped on you all the way down to here, which means it can go higher, but there's no technical analysis you can do on a coin that's new because there's no such thing as technical analysis with no price history. So just letting you know, I know a lot of people will do technical analysis just for the views and likes and super chats, but I'm telling you the truth. I'm here to tell you what you need, not what I'm here to tell you what you need to know, not what you want to know. So AGI Yes, with two eyes. I looked at it before, bullish on parade. I looked at it before. I don't know what it is. Never heard of it. It's nothing to do with AGI. I know that because I'm in partnership with AGI, and it's got nothing to do with Ajax or anything like that either. And I know that because it's just common sense if you look at what the merge is doing and everything. So AGI, never heard of it, man. So I can't really help you. Hexentino says, Yasu Kumbare from Cyprus. Hope you are fine, man. Do you expect another one drop under 60K, or we finished for now? Well, right now 60K looks like it's holding. I'm not expecting a drop. It doesn't mean I'm not prepared for one, meaning I already took profits in Bitcoin, went back into altcoins, but still have some profits left over to buy a potential drop. If we do get a drop, I would guess it would be around the summertime, maybe in May, maybe in the summertime. I am expecting a massive drop of about 30-40% in Bitcoin sometime before autumn, before September or October, and then we'll see if this is going to be a shorter bull market or not. We'll talk about that when the time gets closer. Hello, Paul. You're looking good today. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. John Ming says, well, yeah, XRP, go. Where's my shirt? Yeah, let me get you your shirt, man. Montenegro, how are you? I say we pump to maybe 70K, then dump to 55K. Very possible, man. Hey, Paul, by the way, you keep on telling me things, and I keep on telling you that it's not going to happen. If we made bets all this time, Montenegro, I would have been probably made more money from betting with you than the markets. Just joking, kind of. But yeah, thank you, man. But this time, yeah, I don't say it's wrong, but you have to see what happens after you hit 70K. Are you going to break 70K? Are you going to make it support? How much of a rejection? How strong will the rejection be? There's so many different variables to look at. Hey, Paul, what challenge video results? Just told you. Cubic analysis, we just did that. William Berry says, hey, everyone, please hit that like button. Yes, I agree. You should be hitting that like button wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whether you're driving a car. If you're driving a car and it's dangerous to hit the like button on your phone, please don't do that. Don't be dangerous. Don't drive recklessly. Don't risk your life for a like button. All you have to do is put your alarms on real quick, swerve to the right side of the road, stop the car. If it's a highway, make sure you're in the right lane. Make sure you're in the right lane and you have your flashes. Then you can very patiently take your phone, hit the like button without rushing. That way you won't get into any accident. If your phone is somewhere else and you're on your desktop, just use your desktop to like the video. You don't have to go get your phone to get the video, to like the video. Obviously, if you're having sex, that's fine. It's not weird at all. Just reach out. Like as you're, just reach over and hit the like button. Although I don't know why you would be watching me while you're having sex, but, to each his own. But, yeah, just stop what you're doing, hit the like button, or get her to hit the like button. It's up to you. But, yeah, hit the like button, guys. Shah, what do you think where Bitcoin can go from here, up or down? I think it's going to go sideways. It's going to go up and down for a while, for a while, and then we'll see what happens. But it's still too early to know. Kyle Tomala says, I'm with Frankie Candles. One more pop to 70K, then dump. Okay. Good. That's prophecy, and there's no analysis to support that, because what if we pop to 70K and it doesn't reject? So how can you make that assumption from now? Even if it's true, it's just guessing, and there's no. And sorry, I've seen Frankie Candles' videos. He's good in the most part. But I disagree because there's no verification for that. And if anybody wants to argue that with me and show me why, feel free to come challenge me on technical analysis competition. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Good morning and blessings to everyone. Thank you very much. Ernick says, hey, Paul. Hey, man. Recently found your channel. Loving the content. Quick question. What's your take on XRP this year? If XRP manages to break 72 cents, I'll start getting interested and probably slowly buying if it holds above 72 cents. If it breaks $1, then chances are it will challenge all-time highs. And if it breaks all-time highs, the top I see for XRP would be about $4 to $7. Now, keep in mind, it might not even get there. I'm just saying, best case scenario would be $4 to $7. That's the same view I've had for years. I've been saying has to break 72 cents, hold above it, and it hasn't. So I'm still on the same camp. I haven't changed my views. William Barry Paul, can you make a video debating BitBoy about XRP and give him a shirt and some ice cream? I don't know, man. No. People that are really obsessed about a coin or really believe in a coin, there's no debate about it. Okay, let me show you how anybody that debates me about XRP. All I have to do is say this. Look at price. People have been saying it's going to pump for years. I told you to get out before the SEC situation. I told you to get out before the last bull market. XRP missed the bull market and almost half of this one. There's no debate. Like, I've heard all the arguments of XRP over those last few years and all the news and all the wow and this is going to happen, that's going to happen when this happens, and nothing happened. So even if XRP pumps 100x tomorrow morning, you've still made less than what I've made or what most people on this channel have made holding other coins, even before the last bull market and even this bull market. There's no argument here. The debate's over. The debate is over, right? Price talks, comments walk, right? And there's not hating on XRP. This is reality, right? And all the jokes I make about XRP and the website I made about saving XRP savingxrpmaxi.com, which actually does exist. You have to understand it's done in good fun, right? All right, Kylie Tamala says, same price, says weekly candle close 65.5K is bullish, otherwise repeat of last week, okay? Soda bad for cancer, Paul. No, it's not. What are you talking about? This is soda water, not soda as in sugar, not as in Coca-Cola. It's like club soda, dude. Like, why isn't it focusing? There you go, club soda. So no, this is like, it's water with bubbles. It's actually very good for cancer. Paul will win, of course. I can't do the math, really. Yasu Paul says, Bill S. What's up, Bill S? My man. Feeling lucky, cool. Message retracted. Let's go down here. Let's see what's going on. Hey, Paul, great to see you healthy. Thank you very much. Liked, thank you very much. What's your recommendation on number of coins to hold for 10 to 20x using 30K capital? Natty, in all seriousness, 30K is not a small amount of money. If you're interested, I have coaching down below. There's a link down below. If you want to hire me, we'll talk about it. We'll do some analysis. I'll tell you my own personal opinion, not as a financial advisor, obviously, but I'll tell you my personal opinion, tell you what I see. But generally speaking, that's not an answer I can give so simply in a chat responsibly. Okay? Unless you want me to just say, something like obvious, like hold Bitcoin, Solana, and Render, and that's it. So no, I'm not going to be doing that. Sorry, dude. What do you think about Beam? I like Beam. I trade Beam. I'm not holding Beam a long term. I'm holding other plays that I think are going to do better. Thiago, thank you very much. I'm doing very well. All the 2s and 1s picking here. Let me just go through the comments. I do see a super chat. Yasupol, I started to buy Sui. They are calling it the next Solana. Your thoughts and how many do you need? Well, everyone's calling everything the next Solana. Sui is the next Solana. Say is the next Solana. AVAX is the next. Everyone's saying different coins are the next Solana. The next Solana is Solana. Okay, Solana has the investors, the backing, and the people behind it. It can go up a lot more. Stop looking for the next Solana and try to look for something in its own narrative that can make a lot of money, and stop trying to compare it to Solana because you're just losing right there. Okay, so no, it's not the next Solana. Can it do well? Yes, it can. Should you? Do I own any? No, I don't. But stop trying to find the next Solana, the next Pepe, the next this. Stop going for buzzwords, because what you're doing, here's what's going on. The next Solana, the next Bitcoin, those get a lot of views. And the reason they're titling like that is so they can get the views, and then they have to build the video around the narrative so it won't be clickbait, and that's how you get wrecked. Not saying you're going to get wrecked, I'm just saying it's not the next Solana. Solana is the next Solana, okay? Just for if you understand what I mean. I'm not sure yet. 2K on Render or Singularity. Why don't you go half and half? 1K on Render and 1K on Singularity. I think both will do well. And if one takes off a little bit more than the other, it will cover the difference. And that way you're getting two birds with one stone. Hi Paul, greetings from Toronto, Canada. Is market going to crash next week? I do not know, Sandy. I'm not a prophet. I did do some analysis though and talk about it in the live stream, in the beginning of the live stream. Watch that or check out the videos that are going to come out this week. But like, there's no prophecy. I don't know if something's going to happen 100%. Probability-wise, no, not so far. I think 60K will hold. I think it will trade sideways for a while. Let's see what happens. And when I say sideways, 5K drop for me is sideways. It's not a big difference. What do I think about being already answered that? Midnight greet in Asia. What's up, Asia? Hee-ha, hol. I like that. Adrian says, Andrew Tate and his team bought Beam or Hol. I don't give a shit what Andrew Tate does. I like Andrew Tate's style. I understand what he's doing and why he's doing it. If you look at Primal Branding, you will see he's using every single consumer psychology trick in textbook to do what he's accomplishing. Well done. He does it very well. Knowing these tricks is one thing. Actually doing them is another. I think he has some good messages. I don't agree with everything he says. And basically, yeah, that's my take on Andrew Tate. I do like him though. I do like watching his videos. I think he's funny as fuck. I think it's better following him than, I don't know, some other crap people. But generally speaking, I don't care what Andrew Tate does and what he does with Beam. Like, profit-wise, I've made a lot more than Andrew Tate in crypto. Maybe he made a lot more money because of more money putting into crypto, but I seriously doubt he's made more profits. I seriously doubt anybody has pretty much made more profits than me in crypto. Very few, if any, or I'm at the top of that range. What do I know about Saber? Saber is old school, and I wouldn't waste my time on it, to be quite honest with you. Extinct Tigers race, Saber Tiger. Oh, I don't know about Saber Tiger. I only know, I thought you were talking about the one with Radix. Do you think Casper, with a current Rust upgrade and 10 BPS, can do a 10x? Why would a Rust upgrade? So the whole Casper thing is block DAG, which is nothing new, by the way. Block DAGs were used for different projects. I think the first one was, what was the first one? Other than, was it IOTA? There was IOTA, there's a couple more. The way they marketed was great. I like the way they've decentralized it and made it and everything. But block DAGs hold their dangers, right? And let me answer your question like this. Do I think Casper can do a 10x from here? Yes. Do I think it's because of a Rust upgrade? No. Rust is a programming language that Solana uses based on Linux, from what I know. I think the narrative is what counts. If the Rust upgrade as hype brings people in, I don't know what the Rust upgrade entails, so I don't know how to answer this, but I think it's irrelevant. I mean, does it do anything it didn't do before? Or does it change something? Or did it not do something they were saying before and they needed the upgrade in order to do that? Like, for me, it's irrelevant. That said, I do think that Casper could do a 10x, if not a 5x. At least in this bull run. Your thoughts on 5.3 theory? I don't have any. Hi Paul, how are you, bro? Just non-crypto question. Can Greek olives help grow hairs? I am getting your hairstyle very fast. I have good news and bad news. Yes, if you rub it on your balls. No, if you rub it on your hair. And why would you be asking somebody that's bald that question? Obviously, everything I possibly tried didn't work. Like, why would you ask a bald guy on hair maintenance advice? It's like me asking a broke person for financial advice or a fat person for diet advice. I mean, that doesn't have no records, proof of records before. Anyway. But it feels really good. And it's a great alternative to Vaseline. If you are with your girl or whoever you're with. Whatever tickles your pickle, literally. Olive oil can work, and it's healthier. And you can eat it too, so if she wants to give you a blowjob after, It's actually, she gets her omega-3 acids along with phosphorus and whatever's in your sperm. What can I say, dude? Like, seriously? What is this show turning into, man? What is this show turning into? Oh, man. Are we seeing a mini altcoin season again? Potentially, Shaw. Yes. Let me turn on there because he made me laugh my ass off, man. Talking about putting olive oil on your balls and shit on a crypto channel. Hi. Oh, man. Look, wait. I'm serious, man. I put olive oil on my balls. This is what happened. See? It works. They were bald. Now they're hairy. Olive oil. In case you're wondering what these are, no, they're not hairy balls. They're two microphones. Okay, just fuck's sake. What is your end of year outlook for Miria? I think Miria's going to do very well. It's going to be one of the best performing gaming cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. A blue chip for gaming, almost. No, not a blue chip, but a good bet for gaming. If gaming goes up, which it will inevitably at some point, then Miria is a really good bet. People that, if it's your first time on this channel, by the way, and you're wondering why we're talking about hair solutions and potions, and how to make hairy balls, and this is not what this is usually. This live streams are not usually like this. I promise you. Like, don't click away. Give it a chance. Okay? Some of the shows are like this, but not all of them. We do actually give some alpha as well. Okay? We don't just give hair treatment advice for for lower region body parts. We actually give crypto advice here too. So make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video, because who knows what body part we're going to be talking about in the next video. I meant Greek olive oil, bro. How, knowledge seeker, how is that different? How is Greek olive oil different than olive oil? I'm Greek. I use Greek olive oil any different than olive oil? What the fuck? I wasn't talking about normal olive oil growing your hair. I meant Greek olive oil, obviously. How the fuck should I know? Try it. How should I know? Like, oh my god. I hold Superverse and Beam and Solana. What do you think? I think it's okay to hold Superverse, Solana, and Beam. I don't hold Superverse. I don't hold Beam. I do trade Beam. I have held Superverse in the past. I do hold Solana. I think it's good. As long as you have Bitcoin, Ethereum in play, you should be good. What should I convert my XRP into? It all depends on your risk tolerance. At this point, it doesn't really matter. You can convert XRP into anything. You can convert it to olive oil coin or scrotum coin, and you'll still make more money at this point. Just fuck's sake, come on, guys. Ondo. Okay, here's a good one. Jean-Paul Saliba is saying Ondo's #1 as RWA. That said, Ondo is a very good pick. Maybe you should pick, if you're going to convert XRP into Ondo, I wouldn't say that's a bad play. Smatoshi, Smash Toshi, Smakamoto. What a great name. That is a good name, by the way. What's the best way or app to track multiple wallets, exchanges, etc.? I gave up on Excel sheets and I'm lost. Need something that gives me... The best one you can actually use, mate, that's probably the safest one and the one that you will also always get the actual prices with no surprises would be CoinGecko, right? I mean, Blockfolio's gone and there are other Blockfolio coins out there. But if you go to, a lot of people don't know this. I use CoinMarketCap, but that doesn't have a portfolio tracker. But if you actually go to CoinGecko, check this out. And I've used this before. But if you go to CoinGecko here, if you go to portfolio, you can actually sign up. Look, free and powerful portfolio tracker, and CoinGecko has most of the coins real time. So I think it's the best one to have. And it's free, right? So just use CoinGecko. See, we do give some alpha here. What I meant is Doge is the Bitcoin of memes. Yes, Doge, not Dodge. Doge is the Bitcoin of meme coins, and I do think Doge should be part of your portfolio. If you're wondering what meme coins I'm holding, I hold Doge, obviously. Dog with hat. I do hold a little bit of Pepe, but not too much, just dust, because I took profits, and thank God I did. I also hold Bozo Hybrid, and then some base coins like Degen, Brett, and I think Normie, and Benki or whatever that's called. What's your price? But those are more shorter term, in my opinion, except for Brett. What's your price prediction for Solana? $600-700, maybe $900 by the end of the bull market. Is Ondo the Bitcoin of RWA? No, it's just a very good coin on RWA. There's no Bitcoin of anything. There's only one Bitcoin of Bitcoin, and that's it. Hi, you mentioned many times about 5% only of traders will make money. Can you elaborate? Yes, if you statistically, most traders that trade lose, they don't make money, and the ones that do don't take profits, so most of them end up getting wrecked, and that's why. Now, maybe it's not 5%, maybe it's 10%, maybe it's 15%, maybe it's 2%, like, it doesn't matter. Chances are, though, percentage-wise, you're not one of them, so be careful. That's why I said that. I'm not saying that to offend anybody. I'm just saying that as a reality, most people get wrecked even if they do well, especially if they do well early. It's even worse because they don't learn. It's better to actually trade than lose money, because if you make money, you think you know what you're doing, and that's how you lose most money, if that makes sense. By the way, Cubic's main dev helped create IOTA. Okay, good. How's IOTA doing? Do you like BSV at all? So, I have... Good question. Let me drink some soda on that, answer. So, I like BSV. I don't hold BSV. I don't believe BSV is the real Bitcoin, in the sense that Bitcoin has evolved and consensus matters. And if there's consensus that this Bitcoin is Bitcoin, there was a fork, so that's Bitcoin. But I do believe that BSV can run along in the crypto markets, in the cryptocurrency market. I'm not talking about Craig Wright. Forget about that. I'm talking about BSV, right? What I think about Craig Wright is totally different. I appreciate Craig Wright, by the way, if you're wondering. But I'm not talking about that, right? I'm talking BSV as a protocol. Will it work? I don't know. I think it has potential, but I don't think it will replace Bitcoin. I don't think it's better, even though if you look at the Bitcoin white paper, you can argue that BSV is closer to the original Bitcoin. My views are different, if that makes sense. So let's just say I respect it, but I don't think it's the next Bitcoin. Okay, that's the way I'm going to answer that. End of growth by Christmas 2024. Maybe, we'll see. Lots of people laughing. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. I do take vitamin D every day. I take vitamin D every single day, dude. Okay, 5,000 of it. All right. Your female followers are going away. Damn it. You know, I was prouding myself as a channel. I actually had 7% female followers, which is one of the largest, if not the largest number in crypto. After that, I probably have a lot less. Anyway, we'll see. I thought that was a sex toy. No, my girlfriend has those inside. I wanted you and people to laugh. Okay, oh, we did, man. I wasn't expecting this. Thanks for the last. You're very welcome, Natty. Natty. Of course. All right, I mean, use oil. Okay. I got rugged on Octopus Wallet. Why would you get a wallet called Octopus Wallet? And why would you use it in a way to get rugged? Harry, come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. Stick with industry standards. I accumulate cash a lot, Paul. Is it okay? I think it's okay. But diversify, right? So if you buy anything else, buy something else. Don't just put everything in cash. That's crazy. I talked about this before. When I was saying that the top of cash isn't going to go down before it goes up, I meant it, and it did. And it will go up eventually, but will it be the best performing in the market? No. Is it the next Bitcoin? No. Is it better than Bitcoin? No. I made multiple videos explaining why. I got attacked on them. I like Casper. I hold Casper as one of my biggest positions, but I made things clear, right? I don't need to lie about things I hold to pump my bags. I tell things as they are. I say it as it is. This stream is turning into a Jerry Springer show. How to stake Orange Pool. If you're holding Orange token in a wallet like I am, don't look at the ones I have on Mexi, obviously. That's just a quick trading ones. If you look at any wallet like Leather or any other wallet, your Orange token is staked automatically until you move it to Orange Wallet when that's available. So anywhere you hold your Orange, it's being staked automatically. All you have to do is hold it. You can check out my interview here. Let me show you real quick for more details so I don't bore everybody. By the way, pretty cool what they did, by the way, right? Let me just go to my channel real quick. If you go to my channel here and you go to videos and you scroll down here, this changes everything. Look, this is an interview with the CEO. Check this video out, right? And you will see exactly how it works and what's the details are. Dev says, you won. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Coin Stats is a great tracker. Also, you can import your Excel. Okay. Paul getting lag. Yeah, it's lagging, but it'll go up later on, in my opinion. Do you think Quant is worth the investment? I told you back in the day that it's not, and I don't think it's worth it right now either. If I was going to get into something long-term at this point, I'd wait for the bear market, then get into it long-term. Much better prices, much better evaluation, and much better to see if it's going to do well or not. I mean, come on. Now you just hold what's working. Long-term, and this is Bitcoin. Forget about it. Get into coins for now, and then you can go long-term later. Hi, Paul. What are your thoughts on Near Protocol? I think it's good. I do get in and out of Near Protocol. I'm not in it constantly because a lot of YouTubers, big YouTubers, pump and dump it. So I do trade it, but I don't hold it. If that makes sense. My dog just woke up wondering about his Dogecoin. All right. Any thoughts on Tezos? It's still around, but no thoughts on Tezos. I don't have any Tezos. I wouldn't bother looking at it for now. Better to buy altcoin or shall I wait taking depth about $5,000 to invest? Told you in DMs today. Shah, hire me one-on-one. Seriously, like some of the questions you make, what I said to somebody else earlier on. So, and I answered you in the DM. I answered you exactly what to do in the DM, right? I gave you an overview, and I told you for more details, get me one-on-one. I can't write down an analysis and page of my thoughts, and I'll spend more than an hour on it when I can just answer you in an hour. Like I'm sorry, I just can't do that. How do I get over being rugged? I don't know. I very rarely got rugged or lost money. I thought I got hacked last week. I didn't. It was a false alarm, and I took steps so fast that even if I did, I saved most, if not all, my crypto. But it was a false flag. So, and I'm a paranoid motherfucker. So one thing you can do, Harry, is have multiple wallets. And when you sign up to exchanges and such, use different email addresses. And that way, even if one of your wallets get hacked, you still have the rest. And then if you want to make some sort of claim or airdrop or anything from a certain wallet, then, and you're not sure about it, move your other cryptos to another wallet, a new wallet, and use that wallet to claim the airdrop. And then if it gets rugged, doesn't matter, you won't lose that much. Other than that, get Malwarebytes. You can find it at cryptofactor.net/resources. That really works, helps a lot. Doesn't prevent, but it's more important than a VPN, in my opinion. Just go to my website right here, cryptofactor.net, go to resources. Just scroll down where it says cybersecurity and grab yourself Malwarebytes. It's free. Just grab yourself one of these. If you want, there's a paid version as well, which I have. But the free version is more than enough, or at least your industry standard and the least you can have. Adrian says, buying not official site, writing words in front of cameras, or swapping your phone cam through paper, accepting crypto randoms. Oh, I think you're answering Harry. What's your portfolio on RWA, Paul? I'm holding Blackfort notes The nodes are in the description below this video, by the way, as well as other nodes I'm holding. I hold Ondo and a couple of more coins that can or cannot be RWA, depending on what you want to look at RWA. By the way, I'm getting a video out pretty soon. I really think that DPEN and RWA is overrated for this bull market. I think other coins and narratives are going to outperform them. I know it's crazy, but I'm going to make that video for you guys next week. Even connecting MetaMask isn't smart. I agree. Shah, you hit some comments by Sishan Shah, and thank you, because they are spam. So he's asking for token fi price prediction. Don't repeat questions. Oh, token fi is not a scam. But yeah, but don't repeat questions, Sishan, because you will get, yeah, you're going to get your messages deleted, and if you piss Shah off, you're going to get banned, man. So you got to be careful. And if you spam, I'm not going to answer. So I don't have token fi price prediction. It's a new coin, which means no price history, means no price prediction. It's new coins are constantly in blue sky breakout and price discovery. So there's no price prediction, right? So I know a lot of people don't want to hear that and don't understand that, but that's the truth. Just here for my weekly XRP comment. Casper's upgrade of Rust will allow smart contracts to be built on it. Oh, okay. Do you think programmers will start building on it? So okay, Franny, excellent. Thank you for mentioning this. So while giving the ability to put smart contracts on Casper is a good thing, you got to understand a couple of things. Number one, what happened to the old Casper versus Bitcoin narrative? Suddenly you want smart contracts on Casper? That's not really the same thing now, is it? So that kills that argument. Second of all, Rust. So Rust is very safe. It's fast, it's efficient, but complicated as fuck. And most programmers don't use it. They use other programming languages like Solidity and so on. So Solana uses Rust. Was it Solana? Yeah, Solana uses Rust. But the thing is that the problem is a lot of people have a hard time learning it and building on it. And I don't think it's that compatible. So I'm not sure. So while that's a plus, I don't know why they chose Rust. Maybe that's a good thing. But generally speaking, I would say it's more bullish than not doing it, because for me, you're not supposed to be trying to compete with Bitcoin anyway. So I'd say it's a good thing. Spell token price, but I don't know about Spell token or have a price prediction. 300 timeout for those guys. Thank you very much. My 50% portfolio XRP. I am stubborn, not selling, but yeah, 40% quant gives. You're in two shitcoins, dude. Like, seriously speaking, both of them are ISO 20022 narrative, which is false, by the way. I don't know, man. I think you should definitely diversify into more coins, Adrian. What about Cardano then? Well, like, why are you guys picking all the stupid shit coins that, like, you just saw a video of me doing a giveaway and all these, like, Cardano and XRP didn't do shit. I'd rather hold a coin that goes down or up than something that just stays stable and doesn't move, because it just stops you from opportunity costs and getting into other coins. So, no, I'm not again. And Cardano's great, but no one's using it. Like, no one's really building on it. Like, no one. I got out of Cardano for a while. I was in XRP and Cardano. And then I switched from XRP to Cardano before the SEC thing and made a lot of money. Took profits, and then I never got back in Cardano or XRP. I briefly got in and got out. I made a couple of trades. But that's about it. Brother Paul, our headed 50K. What do you think about I Trust Capital? Long discussion for this live stream, and I am going to finish this live stream pretty soon. When you say what do I think about I Trust Capital, in what way are you asking this question though? Like to put 50K in I Trust? As in a Bitcoin ETF? Like, what do you mean? I'd rather hold Bitcoin in that case. Dimensia and Theta bull case. I like the mention for the airdrops. Theta was a last bull market narrative. It might do well this bull market, but I'm not going to worry about it or try to get back into something when I know there's other plays which I mentioned that are doing very well and continue to do well. As for Dimension, I think it's great, DIM in other words, for airdrops on the Cosmos chain. And as a matter of fact, I am actually holding it for that reason. So if I go to, give me a second here. If I go to my staking coins here, I have DIM. These are the coins I'm staking. All right, I had a lot more I got rid of. I'm going to get rid of this one as well, by the way. There's no point. Okay? So these are the coins I'm staking. DIM is one of my biggest positions, and I think it's going to do very, very well. I got rid of most of my staking positions, including Solana, not because I think they're bad or you can't make money, or you don't get airdrops, just because I don't have time to look and I'm sick and tired of it and I just want to focus on one thing or one place. And so I chose Cosmos. Those are my stakings and some stakes obviously that I'm doing, which you just saw. But I'm trying to narrow shit down for time. Hello from Arizona. Ben is recommending Tau, Ordi, and Enna. What do you think? I think Ordi is going to do very well. I'm not so sure about the other two. I think other coins are going to do a lot better, but I think Ordi is extremely good. Hey, Paul, just want to say us bald guys are the best. I agree. I totally agree. Will meta hypes come again? Yes, I believe they will. But if you're wondering if I got out of my Sand token and my Mana token, I have for now. How about Violet? I got out of Violet for a while. We got into other AI plays. I made videos about it. Ajax. Ajax, Agi, Fetch, well, a few more coins that I've mentioned will do a lot better. What about Hedera? I think it's going to do well later on in this bull market, but not yet. What's the same with Algorand? What's your best prediction on, what's your price prediction on Bitcoin in the short term, or do you see another dip? Well, I can't give you a short term, guys, I called all the short-term dumps on Bitcoin. I see another dump coming in the summertime or around the summertime, maybe in May. Smaller one in May, bigger one around the summertime. But that's it. I'm not. I can't It's not like I can just turn on and just call everything. It's impossible. What do you care? Just go. Bitcoin is going to go up at least till the end of the year, more than likely, right? To the end of 2020, the ending months of 2024. That's all you need to know. If there's a dump, buy it. What's your price prediction on Bitcoin? I already did that. What do you think about Core token? Not sure what Core token is. Yeah, I'm done building main portfolio. Now I will jump into AI. Congratulations and well done. That's what you should do. And you should also look at gaming. Will every altcoin go to 8-10x in the altcoin season? No shot. They won't. I actually made a video about this. And the ones that do, and there'll be ones that will do a lot better, by the way. I made a video about this. You can watch it real quick. Let me just remind you, just so I get more questions done here so we don't miss questions. If you go to my YouTube channel, which is here, and you go to videos, and you scroll down, there should be one. Look, where is it? Nope, right here. Your crypto altcoins are not going all-time high. 2 months ago. Watch this video right here. Hey, Paul, what do you think about Mana? Just talked about Mana. I think it's great, but I'm out for now. Hi, Paul. Hope you are well. Yes, I am. Oh, Coquino, I haven't seen you for a while. How are you doing, man? Jimmy K, all these coins that you say you got into, are you planning to hold them or are you taking profits? I take profits, Jimmy, from almost all coins, depending on which coin it is, and depending on time of the market. I will take profits all the way. Like, I take profits. Then I buy dumps, but in most part, I keep them till the end unless something changes. At least the coins I'm mentioning. Heading out, man. Catch you next time. Thank you very much. Veracity thoughts. I think it's good, but I'm out of it. I think other coins like G-Swift, Sidus, GFAL, what are some other ones, man? Miria and others will do better. Brother Paul, what do you think of XDC? I do not own or know much about XDC because I don't hold it, man. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, that Stellar Network, Valk project. Any thoughts? I have no thoughts, but I do like. So thank you very much, everyone. Really appreciate you. Before you go, as you're going out the door, please hit the like button. Just click that like button. I would really appreciate it as you're going out the door. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much. Love all of you. Take care. The people that are just joining, watch the video from the beginning. It's worth watching, I promise you. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.